So are you ready to make mommy coffee? Right, 1 scoop. That's too much. My 2nd scoop. 3rd scoop. Woo! Slow. Okay, let's fix it a little bit. You made 3 scoops. Oh, you wanna scoop more? I wanna sleep at night, sweetie. Okay. We can scoop more tomorrow, okay? Okay. Can you stir it? Do you know how to stir it? Alright, now mommy's gonna get some ice for us, okay? Where the ice should go? Can you put the ice in mommy's cup? Yes. One more. Good job. Right, Zoe. Right, can you pour the coffee in mommy's cup? Ooh, good job. Go, go, go. Go ahead. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Oh, I forgot my sauce. Can we fix the sauce? Okay. Oh, sauce, coffee sauce. Can you pour in mommy's cup? Pour the milk in mommy's cup. Wow. Come on, go. Keep going. Good girl. Good girl. Say cream. Ooh, that's a lot of cream. Alright, thank you for making my coffee, sweetie. Oh, you just want to steal my cream? Now we're gonna make yours. Not coffee, okay? Milk. Alright. Can you clean the table? Yeah, here, coffee. Get the coffee. Yeah. Hey, mommy, help. Very good, very good. Wow, keep going. You have more. You have more. You want to do the straw? No? Okay. Cheers. You go, cheers, cheers, cheers. You cannot drink this, sweetie. I'm so sorry. No. You are not trying to steal my coffee. Are you? No, you drink your milk. What are you saying? Tonight I'm going to make sauteed chicken drumstick meat with potato. So I got this chicken drumstick still with bone in it. So I need to take the bone out. Because the boneless chicken drumstick was sold out at the Walmart, so I just got the regular ones. It's not very hard to take the bone off. Now I'm gonna season the chicken drumstick with salt and black pepper. And olive oil. Next, I'm going to cut some cucumbers. So my father-in-law, he grow the Chinese cucumber at his backyard. This is a Chinese cucumber. And this is a regular American cucumber. As you can see, American cucumber is more solid and it is seedless. And Chinese cucumber is more delicate. And it tastes fresher and juicy than American cucumber. So I like to use this roasted walnut oil for salad. And today I'm just gonna go with the regular ranch sauce. So here's our dinner. Eating the same thing every day. And we have some strawberry, apples. Thank you for sharing. Oh, you want me to eat your strawberry? Thank you, baby. Thank you. What? So you treat my longer one with your shorter ones. So mommy's always taste better, right? She is 17 months now. I'm trying to get her to eat some raw vegetable leaves. But I think she's still having some hard time eating raw leaves, right? You have potato in your plate. You just take other people's food? You're gonna give the fork back to me? No, right? I'll use yours. Oh, you want a treat? Do you want to treat strawberry with cucumber? And my apple.
Good.
Okay. I love you so much.